In this video, we'll look at the center for distribution. We'll use a program to get the mean, median, and the mode for a data set. So here, let's write the mean. So to get the mean for the first test, use equal sign, and the function is average. So you type in average, and you get the numbers there. So you can see that the mean for first test is 11.15. To get the median, the middle score, and the function is just a median, and we'll get the data in, and you get the 11.5, which is around here, and it's 0.5% for scores that will be distributed above 11.5, and half scores will be below. Next, we'll find the mode. And to find the mode, the function is mode. And we get this data. And this 12 is the mode. And mode is the most frequently occurring score in a data set. And also matches with our observation. So once you have the mean, median, mode, yeah, so these are all measures of the central tendency of a distribution. And so I can copy and paste over here. And then we can compare means and medians. So if we compare mean and median in a data set, if we look at the first test, the mean is lower than the median. And so that's the indication is a negative skew. If the mean is higher than the median, like in our second test, and so that's an indication of a positive skew. That's the end for this tutorial. Thanks for watching it.